Welcome back to Zephyr Performance. We're here with a great video. It's Super Bowl Sunday. They're grilling out at our college. Let's see what they got on the grill. Clean the grill with the onion. Tell us about it.
Bro, honestly, I'm not sure why, but it just works. You clean the grill with the onion, and then that way you don't have any residue on it. And then all the hydrocarbons that come off of the charcoal, it's like right now, then you put lighter fluid on it, like it gets a little hydrocarbons out into the air. So you gotta let it really burn. That's why you have to let it gray. So once you put this on the grates, it helps clean so much better. I think it might break down something. Don't
use any toxic cleaning. Just go with the onion.
Bro, the onion's so
it's tried and true. They've been doing this for years and years.
We're out here at the Super Bowl grill out. We got chicken on the grill. I took a quick peek hoping for some beef burgers, and unfortunately it looks like the chicken's just covered in red 40 and yellow 5. It's just food coloring and cancer out here.
Jacob got to the grill first. I had to check it out for myself. What does this chicken look like? Sound the alarm. That chicken looks radioactive, red and yellow. I'm concerned there's additives in here including red 40 and yellow 5, which are extremely toxic and unnatural to humans. This doesn't look like a simple natural marinade with just spices to me. I'm staying away.
When you attend a barbecue, when you're at a grill out, it's key to plan ahead, stay prepared. That's why I looked ahead, I got the fruit. You gotta have a well-rounded meal no matter the circumstances. So we got some fruits and veggies, walk you through the plate: pineapple, cantaloupe, apple, grapes, oranges, honeydew melon, cucumber, bell peppers. This is gonna keep me energized throughout the whole Super Bowl for an Eagles win. Let's go, let's get this dub.
Got too much red 40 chicken. I'm sorry, Zephyr, but look too good, bro.
High protein meal for Big Bird. Unfortunately, looks like red 40 and yellow 5.
Dude, I'm
We're
sorry.
a little worried about that.
I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to get that much red 40, bro.
It's all good, it's all good. We'll stay locked in.
Did you guys make the burgers? Or are these servery burgers?
We went to Servery, we got the 100% ground beef patties. There were no burgers to be found at the grill out. It was just the red 40, the yellow 5 chicken, so we had to stick with the ground beef patties. Jacob got a healthy plate too. He's got the salad.
I will call out the fact that I got salad dressing. That's not ideal, but it's Super Bowl Sunday. We got to ball out a little bit.
Yep, Super Bowl Sunday, still staying locked in. Look at Lucas, always staying locked in. That is admirable. Look at that plate. Whoa! For the Super Bowl, we got the guacamole in the background too.
Baker's locked in, bro.
Baker's locked in. We got the guacamole here. This is a great option to stay locked in. You got all whole foods, all in good ingredients, the avocado, the cilantro, the red onion. Thanks for helping out making the guac for everybody. Appreciate it. OC, who you got?
With the ultimate hot bundle, create your ultimate pizza.
Probably gonna be the Chiefs.
Short say the Chiefs.
I didn't say I wanted them.
Shreyas, you got the Eagles?
I got the Eagles winning. I hate the Eagles.
Cooper the Chiefs.
He's a rookie too, and a starter.
All day, all day. Let's go, Birds. I'm in a good mood. It's halftime. The Eagles are up 24-0 on the Chiefs. The Super Bowl's about to be ours. We got two options for you for the halftime snack. Me, Jacob, and Lucas. Gabe, Scott, we're gonna have some snacks at half. Which option am I choosing? The standard tortilla chip from the store. Look at these ingredients. We have corn, a bunch of seed oils, preservatives. That's not what we're gonna be going with. This is out in 2025. We're going with the Siete lime chip. These are super clean ingredients. It's just gonna be very basic. Potatoes, avocado oil, salt, no BS. Just clean whole food ingredients. It's just gonna be potatoes, avocado oil, and spices. Look, these are still potato chips, so I wouldn't say they're amazing, but it's the Super Bowl. The boys want a snack. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be the option I'm choosing over this store brand lime chip. Jacob's got some other stuff here.
We got some servery guac. We got fresh avocado spread, some salt, some onion, some tomato, and some lime juice. It's as pure as it gets.
That's all it is. What else do we have here?
Just a little brief cheat. We got some quesadillas from Servery, but for the most part, this is pretty clean food.
What do we have here? Some marinara sauce,
Some
rails, clean ingredients.
Dip the chips in the rouse.
We could.
Let's dip the chips in the rouse, guys.
We could. Here we go.
Sietes. These are great. I love lime chips.
Jacob's gonna test them out. It's just potatoes,
I'm a big
avocado
fan
oil.
of the HEB limes, but let's give these boys a try.
Let us know how they are, Jacob.
All right, get a little bit of that guac. All right, here we go. Dude, these are really good.
Yeah.
These are great.
Siete's a great brand. If you're looking for some snacks, if you're looking for some clean options, no affiliation, but I'd like for there to be Siete Family Foods. Great option.
Try it by itself.
Wait, Jacob, let me get one.
Dude, there's some nice chili flavor in there going on. It's going to be a little less limey than the HEB, but that's just natural.
What do you think? What do you think, Gabe?
Dude, these are good. They taste like potato chips.
Yeah.
Like,
Get one, dude, get one.
but they're like healthy.
They're much healthier than
good.
most
That's
conventional
fire,
potato chips. It's just potatoes, avocado oil, and seasonings. As clean as it gets for potato chips.
light flavor, yeah.
Yeah. It's simple. Which one do you like better?
Definitely these ones. The subtleness of the chili and the lime complement the healthiness associated with it. Versus these, I can tell they're oily and processed and too heavily limed out.
Exactly.
That was just like insane, actually.
Unexpected combo. The rouse in. Dude, let's see it.
The rouse is like,
This is really good, bro.
It's so good.
The rouse on chips is like
so
really good, bro.
It's so good. I want to get my reaction.
Dude, try it. Here, one. Here you go.
I got it.
On the tortilla.
Let's test it out.
No, you need the healthy ones, bro.
Only the healthy. Let's try to test this out.
Bro, we need more of this.
The rouse.
I'm gonna have some of the
Should have got a full plate of guac, bro.
traditional guac.
No, I got every last drop of avocado.
They're both good. If you're in a pinch and you want a snack, it's a Super Bowl. Potato chips, rouse, marinara, clean ingredients, extra virgin olive oil, tomato.
Travis Kelce
Doesn't get much better than that. The Chiefs are going to lose this 24-0. What can I say? Let's go healthy foods. Let's go Eagles. Super Bowl Sunday. Thank you for watching another episode of Zephyr Performance. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more content like this coming very, very soon.